Hi everyone, Luke here, and today we're going to talk about something that I'm honestly terrible at. Remembering what happened in my own day. Seriously, someone asks me, "So, how was your day?" And suddenly my brain forgets everything I've ever done in my entire life. But guess what? That's actually the perfect way to start today's lesson. Because talking about your day in English is supposed to feel simple, but for many beginner learners, it feels like trying to explain the plot of a movie you barely watched. Good news. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your day clearly, naturally, and with confidence. And hey, if you enjoy learning with me, hit the like button. It helps YouTube show this lesson to more students. And subscribe if you want to practice with me every day. All right, let's fix this "how was your day" problem once and for all. Let's start where every day starts, the morning. And yes, we're keeping this simple and natural. Short sentences, clear ideas, real English. Repeat after me when I say, repeat. I woke up at. Use your real time. Repeat. I woke up at 2. I was tired. Or, I felt good. Choose one. Repeat. I was tired. Or, I felt good. 3. I got ready for the day. Say it. I got ready for the day. 4. I ate breakfast. Now you. I ate breakfast. 5. I had coffee. Of course I did. Repeat. I had coffee. 6. I checked my phone. We all do it. Say it. I checked my phone. Great. Now, let's make this sound like real storytelling English. Here's a natural morning summary. I woke up at 7. I was tired, but I got ready for the day. I ate breakfast, had coffee, and checked my phone. Now repeat in small parts. I woke up at 7. Repeat. I was tired, but I got ready for the day. Repeat. I ate breakfast, had coffee, and checked my phone. Repeat. Nice. Short, simple, natural. Most beginner learners get stuck here. They don't know how to connect morning with the rest of the day. Let's fix that. 1. I left the house. Repeat. I left the house. 2. I went to work. Or, I went to school. Choose yours. Say it. I went to work. Or, I went to school. 3. The traffic was. 3 easy options. Bad, okay, good. Repeat. The traffic was bad. The traffic was okay. The traffic was good. 4. I arrived at. Add your time or place. Repeat. I arrived at. Mini story preview. Listen. I left the house at 8. I went to work. The traffic was bad, but I arrived on time. Now repeat. I left the house at 8. Repeat. I went to work. Repeat. The traffic was bad, but I arrived on time. Repeat. You're doing great. This is the longest section of most people's day,
So let's build sentences that actually sound natural. 1. I started work, or I started class. Repeat. I started work. I started class. 2. I checked my emails. Say it. I checked my emails. 3. I had a meeting. Repeat. I had a meeting. 4. I worked on a project. Say it. I worked on a project. 5. I talked to my coworkers. Or, I talked to my classmates. Choose yours. Repeat. I talked to my coworkers. Or, I talked to my classmates. 6. I took a break. Say it. I took a break. 7. I had lunch at. Repeat. I had lunch at. Nice. Now let's turn it into a natural paragraph. I started work at 9. I checked my emails and worked on a project. I talked to my coworkers, took a break, and had lunch at noon. Repeat after me in parts. I started work at 9. I checked my emails and worked on a project. I talked to my coworkers, took a break, and had lunch at noon. Great work! Beginners often skip this part, but it's important. 1. I finished work at. Repeat. I finished work at. 2. I felt tired. Or, I felt good. Say it, I felt tired. Or, I felt good. 3. I went home. Repeat, I went home. 4. I stopped at the store. Say it, I stopped at the store. 5. I bought groceries. Repeat, I bought groceries. Now, natural storytelling. I finished work at 5. I felt tired, so I went home. I stopped at the store and bought groceries. Repeat, I finished work at 5. I felt tired, so I went home. I stopped at the store and bought groceries. Perfect. Evenings are short, so the English here is simple. 1. I got home. Repeat. I got home. 2. I relaxed for a bit. Say it. I relaxed for a bit. 3. I took a shower. Repeat. I took a shower. 4. I made dinner. Say it. I made dinner. 5. I watched a show. Repeat. I watched a show. 6. I studied English. Say it. I studied English. 7. I cleaned the kitchen. Repeat. I cleaned the kitchen. 8. I went to bed at. Say your time. I went to bed at. How was your day? It was good. I woke up early and went to work. Nice. What did you do at work? I worked on a project and had a meeting. Sounds busy. Yeah. I got home at 6 and made dinner. Did you relax tonight? Yes. I watched a show and went to bed. Here is a complete example of how to talk about your day. Listen first. I woke up at 7 and got ready for the day. I ate breakfast and had coffee. I left the house at 8 and went to work. I checked my emails, worked on a project, and had lunch at noon. In the afternoon, I finished work and went home. I stopped at the store and bought groceries. In the evening, I relaxed, made dinner, watched a show, and studied English. I went to bed at 11. Let's repeat in large chunks. I woke up at 7 and got ready for the day. Repeat. I ate breakfast and had coffee. Repeat. I left the house at 8 and went to work. Repeat. I checked my emails, worked on a project, and had lunch at noon. Repeat.